Tired of feeling stuck? Dreaming of a daily escape from the endless grind? It's time to take back your freedom and soar above the constraints of everyday life. Imagine yourself at the handlebars, nestled securely in a cockpit designed for unparalleled agility. Forget traffic jams. This is your chance to rediscover the pure joy of getting around. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a revolution. AEMOTION electric vehicle has ingeniously combined the best of both worlds, the safety of a full-body vehicle with the nimble efficiency of an electric two-wheeler. We're talking removable batteries, seat belts, iconic Gull-Wing doors, advanced crash boxes, and full hydraulic braking. Every feature meticulously designed to meet your every need. Feel the thrill of motorcycling like never before. Its exclusive four-wheel pendulum chassis gives you an incredible 35-degree cornering angle, letting you carve through turns with confidence and exhilaration. And the best part? You'll save time every single day. With an unparalleled slimness of just 79 centimeters, similar to a motorcycle, you'll experience unmatched urban agility. No more squeezing, no more waiting. And when you arrive, park anywhere with ease. Its low weight and optimized footprint means seamless integration into any environment. Ready to transform your commute? Ready to embrace true freedom on the road? This is more than a ride, it's a lifestyle.